Strings, branes, and d-branes are fundamental objects in M-theory. Those objects may or may not equal reality in philosophy. Reality is the most fundamental thing of all things. Reality cannot be defined or divided, but the properties of reality can be known. If strings, branes, and d-branes are reality, those objects cannot be defined or divided, but they can be studied. There are at least two distinct views among scientists about what those objects really are. Some scientists believe that those objects are unchangeable substances. The problem is that those objects are neither observable nor verifiable, and unchangeable substances have never been proven to exist. Some other scientists believe that those objects are pure mathematical abstractions. Mathematics is abstract, but fundamentally empirical. Even 1 plus 1 may equal 0.5 in another universe. In that universe, if you put two fingers together, you get half a finger. Mathematical abstractions are entirely changeable if our experience of the universe changes. In this sense, strings, branes, and d-branes are not unchangeable substances at all. Coming to this point, I would say that science is very close to break its substance paradigm, and that is very exciting to see.